Alright, so today I just got a package. I'm going to open it. I mean, I already have the main box open, but I'm going to get out the figures and show you them. Alright, first up here, I do kind of have it open. We got Jey Uso Elite 64. I've been wanting this for a while. I already have that piece open. So we'll slide him out. Of course, as you know, a lot of you people already have this probably. It'll be back from Elite 64. It comes with the kendo stick. I actually do not have one of these. It also does come with some handcuffs. I'm gonna pop the figure right on out there. Alright, we'll get to what the figure is all about. So, first you have these handcuffs right here. Little handcuff accessory. And right here, hang on, I gotta take the vest off. This is always the hardest part of action figures, if they have a vest, to take it off. Hang on, I'm trying to get it off. Now, I would make this a YouTube video, but I do not have a YouTube account, so I'm just filming this for my family. So, once I get a YouTube account, I'll make another video like this with different figures and all that when I'm a big collector. So, right now, I'm a smaller collector because I don't have as much time or money to do it. So, here is the figure. Nice head sculpt. I've had one Jey Elite before, but I couldn't find it. Then you've got the design right there on the back of the pants, the pocket outline. And then you've got the fold through the pants, through the tights. And then you also have that black outline, how he has that on there, that black outline. You've got all the tattoos right there, all of them. And then it also comes with this bandana. And this is also very cool. And then finally, because since I already, I'll get more in depth on the kendo stick. This is a just normal WWE kendo stick. And then you also have his signature vest. I'm filming. Love you. Okay, next figure. Alright, this is probably going to be my second favorite figure of the set. Grandma, is it okay if I just use these to slide the tape? Yeah. This is probably my second favorite figure of the set. I mean, it's not even a set, but I think this just brings back some memories. Because I've watched wrestling for a little while, and this has been the man I've been focused on watching the most. And I got his figure. I think this might be his newest figure. Put the box over there. Put that over there. I'm going to go ahead and get the whole figure out. I'm going to leave everything on him. The Undertaker, his 30 years figure. Celebrating all the 30 years that The Undertaker has been in the WWE. So if you take the hat off, that's like a really good head sculpt. I can try, which I'm gonna try to get this trench coat off. I really just hate it when they put these thick coats on that are so hard to get off. I don't know why they gotta make them rubber. Just make everything cloth. Alrighty. I'm trying to get it off, but I don't want to break the figure. I just got it. And I don't have another $30. So I'm trying not to break it. I'm just gonna try this. Yes, please don't pop out a socket arm. Dang, I almost had it. This is really risking it right here. This could really be risking it for the biscuit. This is very, very risky. I recommend that you get somebody who knows what they're doing to try and get your figures out, so that way they don't get damaged or anything. Not that I'm not good at it, I'm just trying not to break it. Here's his massive trench coat. Always comes with that. Of course, you have the hat too. Got the choke slam hands. And he also does, I'm pretty sure, come with mic holding hands. Yep. Oh, I forgot. J.O.S.O. also comes with choke slam hands. But here's that figure. It's a great figure. I mean, what else do I have to say? Now, this is probably by far my favorite. No doubt about it. There's no doubt in my mind. Like, if you say this is not a good figure, then you have lost your mind. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the scissors ready. Open it up. I think we're all ready to open it. Wait. I want one more piece of tape. I didn't want to. Yeah, there's absolutely no doubt about it. This is a good figure. A lot of tape here. The Fiend Bray Wyatt Ultimate Edition. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna start off with maybe the title would be a good thing to start off with. Look at the detail on that title. That is a great title, and it's just stunning. Net still got a lot of stuff to cover here. The extra head sculpt. That's the one with the tongue out. First, you got the Fiend's signature coat. It does have that plastic piece in there. So I'm just gonna get that out fast. Then you got the replaceable arms, which we're gonna go over next. Then we'll go over the figure. Oh wait, hang on. We need scissors for this one. These are the interchangeable hurt heel hands with the coated arms. And then finally, alright, I'm trying to get it out. That could be why he's not coming out. Sorry guys, I haven't talked for a minute. I completely forgot I had a video going, but I think I finally got him out. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. You have the nice swivel on the chest. I mean, I think this is the best Fiend that has ever come out of the three. And, these are the three figures we got. Jey Uso. We got Undertaker. By the way, I just ordered these 2 days ago. So they came, because my aunt has Amazon Prime, but they came really fast. And of course, the Fiend, Bray Wyatt.